Here is how to remove Gemini from your phone. First, you need to uninstall or disable the Gemini application. So open your phone settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Use the search bar at the top right, click on it and search for Gemini. Tap on Gemini app when it appears and you'll get the option to uninstall or disable. If uninstall is available, tap on it. If not, you can disable to deactivate the application. Another thing you can do is open your system settings, use the search bar in the top and search for Gemini. You'll get the option of Gemini settings. Go ahead and access it. Here, scroll down and select Digital Assistant from Google. And instead of Gemini, make sure that the Google Assistant is selected. Then select Switch, and your Gemini will be turned off in your phone, and Google Assistant will be turned on instead of that. Now, when you long press the power button, the standard Google Assistant will appear instead of Gemini. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.